All right, guys, welcome to Digi. Appreciate you being here tonight. I'm going to just do a quick walkthrough what Digi's all about. Then we're going to cover some business that's been going on for the last 48 hours. Risk is, there is always risk in trading, guys. And never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. And there is no guarantee in trading. And again, never trade with money that you can't afford to lose. And no recording of this presentation or really any presentation of Digi without prior written consent. And so that way I can really talk to everybody and meet you guys exactly where you're at. So, all right. Let's get going here. I lost my camera there for a second. All right, here we go. So we're going to set some correct expectations, guys. We're going to look at some past trades, really current past trades in the last few weeks and last month. Setting correct expectations. And I really want to go through this because the last 48 hours, I've been really dealing with what we're developing now, which is our compounding trading model. In fact, last night I only got about an hour and a half sleep because that's all I could think about. And I think we had just tremendous sessions today. But still, even with the compounding trade model, I want to really make sure that everybody understands really what is acceptable or what does the rest of the world do on a normal basis, right? So 1.85% return here. We'll look at a few of them. Goldman Sachs 1.7, Barclays 1.7, Citibank 1.8, and there's a few in here that are bigger. Here's a list of them, all about the same mid-high ones here. Now here we go. So now we've got an investment share class here that's doing about 16.4%. Nice return. That's a very decent return. Most people are very happy with that. Here's a 14.56. Here's a fund. And then let's look at what Digi's doing here, okay? I want to get into a little bit here, and we'll pull this up. Let me get to the right page here. Bring this over. When we look at Digi, and there's a couple of things I'm going to show everybody. I'm going to go back. Let's do all of last month and this month, okay? So we can kind of get a good range. And our auto orders, these are all auto orders that Digi has done. These are the trade rules, auto orders. And here's the trade rules that we're currently trading, 11, 12, and 13. And we'll do just the live trades. So these are actual live trades in the account. We'll do the sold trades so we can see actually what's sold. And I'm going to do search here. So this is going to give us about a month and a half results here in Digi. While that's thinking here, I'm going to bring you to the website. And we're one of the only groups that I know of that directly on the website under Get Started here, if you scroll down, you'll actually see the current results of Digi. These are the actual trades that Digi's doing by coin. And this is the percentage of profit on those coins as current. Some of them are still not closed yet, are still open. And this column over here shows you the percentage of closed trades. Some of our members are going for more profit than others. So some close quicker and then some take a little bit longer because they're going for a bigger target. But this actually shows the actual wins in Digi. And we show April, we can show March here. We can go back to February. So we're very, very proud of the results in Digi and how Digi performs here. And you'll see that everything is green. Even though we can't guarantee that there is no losing trades, one thing is really, really clear at Digi. We don't like losing trades, and we, if at all possible, trade every trade back to a win, and so far that's been possible. So our goal is to leave no trade negative if at all possible. In fact, here's January. I'll just go ahead and show you January. And so very, very proud of our results. Let's go here now. And this is the actual trades. These are trades that closed last 12 hours here or so. And this column shows the actual profit. We actually track what we call the slippage from the brokerage. We actually, when we try to get out, sometimes they slip our trades, so we don't quite get the trade that we're looking for, but still very profitable. And I'll scroll down. This will be 100 trades, and they're all fairly recent here, last 12 hours or so. So these are all of our traders. These are live trades, and we can see 100 profitable trades. I'll go to page 4 here, pick page 4. If you look at the bottom, there's 12,519, and 99.99% of these are all positive. I could go to any page. The only ones that'll show up negative if we had a large slippage from the exchange. And if we did, we still go back and pick up that negative trade, and we'll end up ultimately trading that back to a positive trade through our money management system, which is very, very strong. Again, here's another 100 trades, all very profitable. And this word LTH is something for you to pay very close attention to if you're new. That is our money management. That is what makes one of the things, not the only thing for sure, that makes Digi so strong. So when the other places are talking about 1% here and there, Digi depends on how much you trade in your account, can be significantly higher than that. And we'll look at it a little bit here if we get a chance. So I'm going to go one more page just so that you can get a really good feel. I don't know which one I clicked on, but we'll see here. It's bringing it up. So we'll scroll down, all green here, all profitable trades. Here we go. So this is good. So this is what I was talking about. Here's the slippage from the broker. We tried to get out. So you can see they gave us a 3% slip. We would have been positive in that trade if they got us out where we were trying to get out. We'll go back and pick up these trades. There's a number of them on this day that the broker slipped us. And we'll go back and pick up these negative trades and turn them into positive trades through a money management system or a ledger system that we've developed. And so it's going to be, it's very, very strong, again, that we don't leave anything negative. Let's see if we can catch one more set. So there's a lot of slippage on this day. So something was going on in the market. Maybe that's when the stock market was going down. But still, most of our trades were all positive. And again, we will go back and pick those trades up and turn them into positive. And again, here's another page. See what we got here. Yeah, all positive. So Digi is very, very strong when it comes to the actual trades, guys. If you're new to Digi, we're very, very proud of how Digi performs when it comes to that. So, all right, so that's kind of a look at the trades. Let's check out the back end of Digi here a little bit for the new people. Let me bring that up. And we're going to log into Digi here real quick and just show you the back end here. Sometimes my Google gets messed up here. Go ahead and log in this way. So this is the admin part of Digi. When you're a member of Digi, we've got news and updates and all the information about the members and earned commissions and stuff already built and back here for the new members, or for everybody, right? This is our admin part of Digi. This is kind of where you interface with most of the things that are happening inside of Digi. Here's how you log on to the trading platform. You click here. It brings you right to the trading platform. And the trading platform, I'll go through just one thing here. There's so much to this. We'd be here all night if I went through everything, I think. But here's the important thing if you're new to Digi. We create what is called parent trades. These are master trades. These are what control Digi. So once you create a parent trade, it's based on algorithms that we create. And you select those algorithms and you select those coins. Once you do that, that trade, every time that algorithm becomes true, Digi automatically trades for you 24/7, nonstop. So how do you set up a algorithm? How do you set up a parent trade? You simply come here to add Digi auto order here. You pick the coin that you want to trade. You look at the parameters. If they're right, you select the quantity that you're going to trade, and you'll put in, I'll put in a small number here so you can see what Digi does. If the number is too small, Digi will tell you that. And so you can put in 0.1, yeah, 0.5, okay, $19, and everything is set up. I just hit add order. Now Digi is now trading that coin, the LTC USDT combination, trading that now for me 24/7. My hands are completely off the system, and Digi is now in control. I don't have to do anything from that point forward. Now, there's a lot of things that we can do and play with here in Digi in the back end. We have a manual trading system. We have that I'll show you here real quick. I won't go into it, but we have a full manual trading system back here for people that like to do manual trading with all of our volume indicators that we teach. And so again, if I were to go through everything, there would be a lot back here. We'd be here all night basically. So Digi is a very, very complete system from auto trading to manual trading and everything in between. Excuse me one second. Sorry guys, my voice is a little dry tonight. All right, let's bring that off over here. All right. So Abraham Lincoln said the best way to predict the future is to create it. That's exactly what we've done inside Digi. We believe that we have a system that allows us to take financial control over our future. We can make money trading. You can make money helping sell Digi. There is an affiliate system attached to Digi. I believe in paying for people to help Digi to grow. And the best thing about Digi, especially when it comes to the affiliate system, is that Digi is a very profitable trading system and a very profitable piece of software, which makes marketing or introducing Digi to other people something you can be very proud of. So we believe in helping people change their financial future through trading and through helping Digi grow. So guys, that is the Digi in a nutshell. So let's just recap real quick. We've built a very profitable trading system. It's taken us about 2.5 years and about $1.5 million to build Digi, and that is just the 2.5 years of actual development. My trading skills and my trading partners' skills, we've been trading for over 20 years. So there's 20 years of my experience and 20 years of his. So 40 years of combination experience between us that really makes Digi what Digi is. I'm going to show you one other thing before I leave you, because if you're into trading at all, you kind of go, well, why is Digi so good, right? Well, one of the things that's very, very important to understand about Digi is we do not use lagging indicators. We don't use things like MACD or stochastics or any of the other stuff that you might have seen robots built on. A lot of people that are into marketing that aren't traders, like we come from a trading background. But people that are into marketing will go in and they'll throw a bunch of indicators together and create a bot, right? Well, those don't work. Here's why Digi works. I'll show you right here. get to the right screen. There we go. This is our back end. This is what Digi sees. Nobody sees this but Digi, right? This is complete. Digi is completely reading the volume. So what is the market? Here's what the market normally looks like. These are our candles. This is what we built. These are our indicators. And what Digi is tracking is volume. So when somebody sells a lot of coins or when somebody buys a lot of coins, there's an impact on the market. And when Digi looks at the market, Digi sees exactly where all of the big trades are taking place and what's going on. I'll size these down a little bit so you can actually see them a little better. But we can track every big trade and every huge volume coming through the market and exactly where those volumes are taking place. We can see the sells and exactly where those are taking place also. And we can track those. So Digi, when Digi's trading, Digi is not guessing at what's going on in the market. That's so important. And as we develop the algorithms around that volume that you just saw, Digi continues to improve and get better and better at what it does. So we're constantly evolving the algorithms. We're constantly making them better, and we will constantly be adding coins and algorithms as we go forward. But again, the power of Digi is what we've done in the last 2.5 years that comes from 20 years of trade experience to know how to do what you just saw and how to make that work. So that's the power of Digi and why Digi works. All right, so let's look at if I have any questions here. Yep, you always need the disclaimer that I read in the beginning. Yes, the disclaimer is very, very important, that past performance is no guarantee of future results. And so, and that's just a fact, guys. We try to make Digi negative proof, and I think we've done a really, really good job at that. So, all right, so that really covers the presentation. I'm going to stop the recording. Just give me a minute here. Stop the recording and restart it.